now we will install the PM2 package. We'll copy this command from PM2 keymetrics.io, and I will run it here in our console. Oh no. Group. Copy. Paste. So it took a while. Okay. What we have achieved to this moment is that all servers that we are saved in the backend are showed with the names in the front end. So now, if we now looking, we can type PM2 start and then, for example, our manager.js. If we now look, you can see our manager is online and how much storage it needs and how much CPU usage they has. Now we can look with PM2 status manager. Okay, wait a second, I will copy that. For example, manager will copy. I will start at the same moment copy. So now you see that the copy is stopped because why it is stopped. Okay, I will try it one time, and if not worked, I will show looking why it is, and then the video continues. Okay, then we see you in a few seconds. I found a mistake. The mistake was that two servers run at the same port, and that is not working. Now, if I start the server, both of them are running. If we now look at status manager copy, okay, I think the wrong comment show. Now only the name. Yes, and here we can see that the status is online. To check if it is online, we have to check the status. Then we can see if it is online or not. That's the idea behind how to check. Okay, then it is not show. It's not status, it is show. So here stop. So on. Okay. It's the wrong script. I will copy it here and that's the ports. Are we right? Yes. Okay. I will make here a very easy server, only to show how everything works together. Game server and copy my web page. So, okay, everything runs on different ports. Okay, so on. Okay, I will add the game server. Ba-bum. I will remove the manager copy. delete. Oh, okay. And I will start my web page JS app. Okay, status error. The game server runs on 1. This server runs on 0, and then on 2. Now I try to start it again. Okay, now every server is running. So, okay, that's the first thing that I will do, is to check before I send the client information if the server is running or not. That means I make a little variable that will contain the data if the server is online or not. Let server is online. So now I will, okay, it's fine. Here I will make a array of objects. It's okay. Okay. That means I make a for loop where every element that is inside the all server inside the keys of the server will iterate. And then here you can see all servers const all server names. It's easier to understand. So all servers, server name niicoolaas up. So all servers .get state .comment. Now we can call execute, and we can send a comment and can react to it, for example with a simple function. Now I have to look if it works or not. That I will do with a parameter like console output. Now I will look what's inside the console output. So now I will stop the manager JS and will run it on our own node. So now we will refresh the page, everything's worked fine, but I get null back. I call the comment, but I'm not getting back the right value. Oh, I get 3 things out, okay. That means I get error that I not need, then the console output, and last but not least the error inside the console. Console error. Now I will restart the server and do the request again, and now we can see the output of the two servers. Here the game server is online, my web page is online. So now we have to check if this value is right, and then we will show it the next part to the front end.